This is a follow-up video for the bad wheel bearing in the Ford Escape. The reason why I didn't go step by step is because this is not a easy job for an average at-home mechanic. You gotta take the whole spindle assembly off, which involves removing suspension pieces. Just real quick, it's two 18mm caliper bracket bolts. Take the rotor off, and take the 1 1/4 inch axle nut off. Take the lower ball joint off. Take the tie rod off. Take the 2 strut mount bolts off. Beat everything up, and you'll end up with a hub. And to show, this is the one that I diagnosed earlier. You can hear the bearings in there making all types of noise. So it's got to be pressed out and pressed back in with at least a 20-ton press. So we'll do that and get back to you. Alright, and we're back. Like I said, this changing this wheel bearing is definitely not a average at-home mechanic job. I don't recommend setting up a press like this. That's all I had. I didn't have any bar stock anywhere, but essentially we're going to push out the hub first and then get rid of the wheel bearing, because there's a snap ring on the bottom side that's holding the wheel bearing in. So we'll push out the hub first, and we will get back to you. Alright, I had to change the setup. As you can see, it's so uneven that the damn thing is dangerous to get out. That's why I said people at home can't do it, but it's as simple as finding a sweet spot for it. See, it pops. But, you know, look, she's about halfway out. So we'll get her the rest of the way out and see what happens. And there she is. Look at them. They're not too bad. But this is what was giving issues in the car. So we got it popped out. And we'll go ahead and get it replaced. Alright, we got the old hub and race and bearing out. That was a little difficult, wasn't too bad. The new one going in, got to get something that's going to fit the inner diameter of the assembly so you can press that bearing down. If you see, I got something that just rides the lip. You want it right on that edge so you don't break anything. You just keep going down. And there you go. You hear the bearing going in. Go all the way down until it stops. If you hear popping, it's still moving. Alright, that was the crack of the wood. So that means that that thing is set, and I should be able to put the snap ring in it now. Sorry about that. Alright. And look at that. We are good to go. Bearing still moves pretty free. Oh, it's got a little wobble in there. I don't like that. Uh-oh. Well, let's get it together and hopefully it stays tight. Alright, we got our snap ring installed in there. The bearings in there. We'll go ahead and put the spindle, well, I should say hub, wheel hub back in. A little plate there, so push it down. Push it in evenly and throw it back in the car.